Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones with iPhone. And to do this we can actually attempt two ways. There's a Sennheiser Smart Control app which you can download from App Store on your iPhone, or just use normal Bluetooth. And first let's try to use normal Bluetooth. So right here we can scroll down the notification bar, go for the Bluetooth, enter the Bluetooth settings, make sure that it's on. Now moving on to the headphones, make sure they are opened like that. This will power them on. And now we can enter pairing mode by holding this button for about 5 seconds until we hear pairing mode. Now, if we look in other devices, we can see Momentum 3, click on it, and pairing is successful. So to connect them with an app, we need to connect them with Bluetooth as well, so let's leave them connected and open the Smart Control app. Here select headphones and earphones. And here is Momentum Wireless, which we can click on to pair with the app and this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.